This is a rewind of 2024.
With AI News with AI Erik's the AI News podcast.
Unlocking opportunities with AI education when one company holds the reins. The blue screen of death.
Exclusive interview alert, Stephen A. Smith and John Hope Bryant. FTC investigates data-driven pricing.
Department of Justice suing TikTok again. The U.S. Department of Justice.
Protecting seniors from scams. Essential tips and insights.
DOJ sues TikTok for violating child privacy laws. Balancing innovation and strength, navigating Gen Z challenges in the workplace.
Massive data breach hits national public data, potentially exposing millions. AI powerhouses discover the top 5 GPTs shaping the future.
AI Erik's deep dive on bank redlining settlements. NVIDIA is under investigation by U.S. antitrust officials.
Survival of the smartest.
Why AI might outdo us.
How your smartphone could save your life. AI Insights with AI Erik.
Mastering the future of intelligence. Oprah Winfrey's AI special, AI and the Future of Us.
Instagram's new teen accounts. Safety meets technology. Lionsgate and Runway's partnership.
AI in the office, reshaping job roles and workforce collaboration.
The truth about AI and the future of work with AI Erik. The evolution of deep learning.
The future of mixed reality and AI is here. Is the wealth gap in America fair? AI Erik unveils X-ray, a new facial recognition challenge.
Mad scientists or geniuses, the CEOs shaping the future of AI.
Master the art of AI prompting with AI Erik.
Dream chats are real?
Learn ChatGPT for free, AI Erik.
Introducing AI Erik's avatar. Income inequality is real. Let's change that.
Let's change that. Norway's bold move, banning smartphones in schools.
Are we playing God? The red line of AI. Tragedy strikes, the dark side of AI. Framework to advance AI governance and risk management and national security. Unlocking credit potential. AI, Erik and Dwight Looney on credit repair. How teens feel about AI's role in their lives. Live interview with Gabe Wilson. Unlock the future of creativity and productivity with AI Erik. Meet Stephen Pullum, a visionary in AI and cybersecurity. AI Erik's insight on Meta's new AI-generated posts are here.
The Mount Vernon Library. Earn your leisure.
And InvestFest 2024.
We had InvestFest.
Double door event space.
Show Ventures the Love is Love podcast.
EOB Salon Talk.
NYC Black Week 2024.
AI Erik is a trailblazer in the world of artificial intelligence, bridging the gap between cutting-edge technology and practical solutions for businesses and individuals alike. As an AI consultant, educator, and visionary, he has dedicated his career to empowering others with the tools to thrive in the AI revolution. From hosting the AI News podcast to creating insightful educational content and leading groundbreaking discussions on AI ethics, governance, and innovation, Erik has become a trusted voice in the field. With a passion for making AI accessible, Erik provides thought leadership on topics ranging from AI prompting and ethical frameworks to emerging trends like mixed reality and advanced GPT models. His commitment to reshaping industries, addressing biases, and unlocking opportunities through AI education underscores his belief that AI can be a force for good when used responsibly. Connect with AI Erik at AIErik.com and join his journey to shape a future where technology and humanity evolve together.
In the comments, leave your thoughts below. Once again, if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share. You can check out my website, AIErik.com. Peace and love. This is AI News with AI Erik.
This is a rewind of 2024.
AI News with AI Erik.